I get a lot of patients who tell me that when they turn their head to the left or right, they feel a restriction and they feel blocked. And on that same side, there's pain in the neck. It could even go down the shoulder or in severe cases down to the hand. And what I commonly find is that those same people have a forward head posture. So they're stuck like this. And when you're forward in that position, some of the soft tissue on one side of the neck could get pinched. And if it happens to be, for example, on the left side, it creates a blockage. And the best way to get to remove that restriction and free up the pain is to get you from a position like this back to a more neutral position. So I'm going to show you now what that would look like. So I may first tell her to just try chin tucks. So try going back and forth. Now if I give a patient this exercise and they're not responding to it, generally that means there's not enough force behind it. So if you've been trying chin tucks and it hasn't solved your problem, sometimes you need overpressure. And what that looks like is this. So go into the chin tuck. I'm going to put overpressure. Good. Keep going. So this additional pressure, you can see how much more she's moving. And it's a very slow and controlled movement. But it can be just enough, we'll do one more, to get someone over that hump. It's just enough to bring them from that position, which is like this, back into this position here, freeing up the soft tissue here, restoring the motion, and eliminating the pain.